In this video, I'm going to show you the best voice changer for PC. If you're new to this channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, please leave a like as well. So I hope you really find this video useful, as I'm going to be showing you the full process of installing this voice changer and then setting it up. So without further ado, let's get into this. So let's go and continue with this tutorial. Now the first thing you need to do is to simply go and open up your search browser. I'm going to go open up this, and now I'm on Google. Now what you want to do is to simply search for a program called Clownfish. Now please do not skip this, as I'm going to be showing you the full process of installing it and then setting it up. So as you can see, it's literally Clownfish voice changer. Click on that, and what you want to do is to click on the top link here. Now what you want to do is to come onto this top bar, and you can read some information, but come onto this top bar and click downloads, and then it's gonna take you to the download options. Now we have a ton of options here. I simply recommend for you to go with the 64-bit option, but you might be on 32-bit, so go for the other one. Now I'm going to go and click on here. Now it's going to go and start downloading, as you can see, and it's honestly quite a small program, which is really great. Now once it's done, what you want to do is to click on it, and you're gonna get a Windows security pop-up, which my computer doesn't allow me to screen record. And then you're gonna get the installation wizard, and I'm gonna go click next, and you can get these options here. So I'm going to personally turn off desktop shortcut, as I don't need it, and I'll keep the start menu on, but it's up to you. And as you can see, it's only 2.3 megabytes required, so it's absolutely tiny. Then go click on next again, and now you can go and choose where you want to install it, and then click next again. Now it's gone, and it installed it just like so, and that's literally it. And as you can see, it's doing something. Click on install, and just like that, it'll finish. And now after the installation is finished, the terminal command prompt will open up a few times, and that's absolutely fine. It's a sort of code. That's normal, guys, and your audio system will restart. Anyways, now you can go and continue with this and click next again, and as you can see, it's finished. So then click finish again. Now we can come off Chrome and go check this out. Now what you want to do is to come down to your search icon down here and go on and simply search for Clownfish. And as you can see, it's an app, so click there, and then it's going to go and open it up. Now at the minute, nothing has happened. So what you want to do is to actually come to the right of your computer. I'll move my recorder over, and as you can see, we've now got this Clownfish logo here. Or you need to click on this arrow here, and it's going to show it. Then find the Clownfish logo and right click on it, and all you want to do is to simply go on to setup and make sure you click on system integration. As you can see, it shows your mics you are currently using. So I've currently got this mic still here, the USB PNP sound device. But you can go and choose any of these simply by clicking on install. And now I've finished with that, and I'm going to click close, and then I'm going to go and continue. Now I'm going to come to Clownfish again and right click on it. Click on set voice changer, and then you're gonna go and get this window here. Now as you can see, we get a ton of options, and you can go and choose it. So if I click on helium,
my voice is now going to be helium. That's awesome. Now let's go on and remove the effect. Click the clear
effect button, and my voice is back to normal. And you can test out with all of these. Honestly guys, it's so simple. And once you go and choose an effect, your voice is going to sound like this on your computer, as you heard it in my screen recording. And it's going to be like that when you're on other applications such as Discord, Skype or Minecraft. It's just going to be edited. So honestly guys, it's so easy to use, and it's one of the best voice changers for computers in my opinion, and it's free, so yeah. If you found this video useful, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. Leave this video a like as well, and a comment telling me how well the information in this video was presented to you. I hope you learned something new that you'll be able to use. If you loved this tutorial, I hope you share it as well with your family and friends. And also don't forget to follow Infovids on other social media platforms. We have Twitter and Instagram. And if you have something to say about our videos, then email us. We'll reply when we can. So thanks guys for watching and taking this time to learn something awesome. With all this being said, I'll see you guys in another brand new tutorial.